In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this slider card for the holidays. Look how cute this is. And we're going to design the front of it. So let me show you how this works. First, I'm going to take the size of my card and I'm going to cut a piece of paper that's going to be the same size as the card. So on this paper, I'm going to make a slot. So I'm going to take my ruler and I'm measuring 1/4 of an inch. So 1/4 of an inch there. And I've got a T-square, so I'm going to line it up. Okay, like this. And I'm going to cut. We have our slot. We have our penny, and we're going to put the penny on the back. Indoor double-sided mounting tape. I'm going to take a piece, a very skinny piece, and I'm going to cut this really skinny. There we go. So now he can move, because if we just stick it on, it's going to press the penny down and it doesn't slide. So we're going to go back to the mounting tape, this over, and we're going to put down the mounting tape on all 4 sides. Okay, so now we're going to peel off the backing. And the first layer of this is actually not thicker than the penny, so we have to do one more layer of the mounting tape. Now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to take this off. Okay, so now we're going to take the card and we're going to stick this onto the card. There we go. Okay, so now gingerbread man is sliding over to his gingerbread mama. Okay, so let's make the gingerbread mom out of watercolor. So I'm taking a piece of watercolor paper. I'm drawing the outline with Micron because it's waterproof, and I'm just adding in some color. When it's dry, we're going to cut it out. I'm using tacky glue to put on the back, and we're going to just put it right on top of the front part of the slot. Okay, so we're going to finish this card with a nice quote. I found the perfect quote. It says "Together," and there we go. When you make yours, post it with the hashtag #IHeardYouCanDraw.